In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use smart content in HubSpot emails. This powerful feature lets you personalize your email campaigns, tailoring messages to each recipient for higher engagement and better results. Start by heading to hubspot.com and logging into your account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Marketing tab, then click Email. Select an existing email or create a new one. Then click Edit to open the email editor. Within the editor, click on More, then choose Add Smart Rule. Smart rules allow your email content to change dynamically based on criteria like recipient location, device type, or stage in the sales funnel. You can customize messages, images, or offers to make each email more relevant. Always review and test your smart rules to ensure they align with your campaign goals. And that's it. With smart content, your HubSpot emails become more engaging, personalized, and effective. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. In today's video,